Hey gang, caffeine BS for August 28th. Yeah, I'm looking at, well, for you, it's over here at the little calendar. Yeah, I broke the fourth wall. It's 9:32 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. It's quiet. It finally cooled off. If the pool would hold water, tonight would be the night when it'd be bath water warm. Since there's like no moon, no moon, maybe I could provide one. Hey, August 28th, going on 10 p.m. Just the bugs and the spiders and a lizard or two watching. What the hell? Huh? And I know the spiders because usually you see those two eyes and then a chevron of the little ones right below them. Then of course bugs you see. Yeah. Unless otherwise they're little, but you always see bug and spider eyes at night if you got a point of light. You don't believe me? Well, then you should go skinny dipping on hot August night sometime.